Hi guys, me again. Today we're going to be fitting the Coolerworx quick shift to the 370. We stock these for the 350 as well, but thought we'd do a nice little video of installing it into my own vehicle. So first thing you need to do is to remove the gear stick surround, followed by the gear stick and all the mountings, and then remove the 12mm bolt from underneath to release the gear shifter. So next stage will be to raise the car, and we're going to have to remove the gear stick cage assembly off of the back of the gearbox. So that'll be our next part. First part, need to remove the two 12mm bolts in the side. Next part, we're going to have to remove these and tilt the gearbox back. So that's your gearbox mount for your gear stick. You leave the shaft for the gear selector still in place. I'm going to remove the rubber gaiter off the bottom of it because basically it's not going to fit anything else in there. So I would put this by, keep it just in case. This is the shifter, all fully assembled, ready to go back in the car. We followed the instructions which are in the box. So next part is to fit it back in the car. You get your original 12mm bolt from the bottom of the gear stick, put it through the new one, back in, and do that bolt up. It does says 5 to 10 newtons, I think it is. But don't overdo it. Do that up just so that the pin is touching this in first, and if you come across the 6 you do the same, just so it's touching the strike pin, and reverse pulls the pin back